Hi everyone, welcome back to Property Cloud. I am Roshni and today we are going to talk about a premium plotted development in East Bangalore. The name of this project is Shobha Plots at Chekkatirupati, developed by the Sobha Limited. In this video, we will talk about project overview, location advantages, amenities, pricing, booking offers, and much more. So let's start with the project. So Sobha Chekkatirupati is a premium low-density plotted development spread across approximately 26 acres of lush green land. This project is ideal for buyers who want to build their own customized villa home backed by the trust and quality of the reputed developer like Sobha. In terms of highlights, the project offers around 320 exclusive villa plots designed as a low-density, high-growth community. You get wide internal roads, premium infrastructure, and a peaceful, pollution-free environment. It's clearly designed for long-term value appreciation while offering an independent living lifestyle without the limitation of the apartment living. If we talk about the location, so the project is strategically located in the Chekka-Tirupati Sarjapur road belt, which is one of the fastest growing corridor in East Bangalore. The Sarjapur road is just about 10 to 15 minutes away. Whitefield is around 30 minutes and Electronic City is also well connected through upcoming infrastructure. Also, you have the direct access via Hoskote Sarjapur Road, and in terms of nearby infrastructure, you have Christ International School, reputed hospitals and schools in Sarjapur Belt, along with the upcoming developments like PRR and STRR. So overall, this is future-ready location where you get both connectivity and IT hubs and a peaceful living environment. Coming to the lifestyle, so Sobha has created a perfect balance between modern living and nature-centric design in this project. So you have a grand clubhouse with a multi-purpose hall, swimming pool, gym, jogging and cycling track, outdoor fitness zone, landscape garden, open green spaces, walking trails, and dedicated nature zone. There is also kids play areas and community gathering spaces. And in terms of infrastructure, the project offers underground cabling, rainwater harvesting, LED street lighting, and wide internal roads and 24/7 security with a CCTV. All of this together creates a true villa community feel with a strong focus on open spaces and greenery. And now let's talk about the plot options and pricing. So project offers multiple configurations. 1200 square feet plot, which are typically 30 into 40, start from around 58 lakh rupees onwards, and the 1500 square feet plots are 30 into 50 starts from around 90 lakh rupees, and the larger plots ranging from 1800 to 2400 square feet starts from approximately 1.08 crore rupees onwards. With these flexible plot sizes, you have the freedom to design and build your villa exactly the way you want. For interested buyers, the process is quite straightforward. During the site visit, you will be taken through the master layout, shown different plot options and facing choices, and you will get complete clarity on pricing, offers, and legal documentation. Post the visit, you can proceed with the booking if everything aligns with your requirement. And if you want to know the brochure, layout plan, latest pricing, or want to schedule a site visit, you can check the link in the description. Our NRI clients from US, UK, UAE, Europe, and Singapore can also connect with us through the same link for virtual presentation. And if you enjoy watching premium plotted developments and investment-focused property videos like this, then don't forget to subscribe to Property Cloud. Property Cloud is a PropTech company which directly connects you with the developers for simplifying your home buying process. It also gives you benefits like spot discount, zero brokerage, free pickup and drop services, and much more.